destroy video. I'm not responsible to traumatize any people close to breathe with snakes or doing sex. Destroy the video. Today we are going to go to the forest. Oh look! Hello, Tracy. Long time no see. Bye-bye. Man, this place is intense. Ooh. Moy was here destroying all the trees. I wish I wasn't big enough. Whatever, it's not big anyways. Wow. This is amazing. This tree is amazing. Delicious trees. Maybe I need some firework. Ribbit. Hello, Elliot. Elliot, what happened to you? You look so poisonous. What are you doing, Elliot? I thought you were a little squishmallow, and now you're a huge real life thing, frog. You're going to destroy the forest. Yeah. I need to turn away to turn you back into a normal Elliot. What should we do? Do you know any way to turn it into a normal Elliot? We gotta do something. That's how Elliot the Poisonous destroyed all the trees. Look at me. I'm camouflage. I'm camouflage. Get it? I am Oh wow, there's a ball at the rainforest. You'll never know what to find. Elliot's name is Cha-Cha. I prefer Elliot. Elliot's better. Silk! Silk! What happened to you? What happened to you, Silk? Which one of you is the real Silk? There's nothing else to do. Why, Masika? Yeah. What is that? What is that? Is that a tightrope? Let me climb it. The sky is so beautiful. Alright, so hello. Squawk! Yeah, I don't. Oh look, there's a big butterfly. There's a big butterfly. That's amazing. Hello. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm fine. I'm enjoying the view from here. Sorry for the fog, guys. Yeah. You know what? What's your name? I am Steve. Oh, Steve, that's amazing. Oh, wow. Amazing. Oh, look at this. There's coins. Maybe I should wish for a coin to get 1 million subscribers before next year. Later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye, Cha-Cha. That was the best. I explored the rainforest. I met Steve. Steve is out there eating. So, see you later. I'm sorry the camera's blurred. There's fog in here and it's nighttime. So, time for my dinner. Okay? See you. What time is it? Oh no! It's time for my dinner! It's 10 p.m. See you tomorrow, guys. Sweet dreams. Good night. Bye-bye. Love you. Reach 1 million subscribers before 2027. No! Oh look, there's this water dispenser. I'm going to drink water. I want water. Delicious me. Now. I'm full. Oh look, there's a musical note. A triple clef. Triple clef. Wow, it's raining. It's raining. Whee! Should I touch it? Oh no, the camera's wet. I'm going to clean my camera, okay? It's not clean enough. I gotta take you home.